Hello there, my name is Mickey Smithwood Sr. and this video is going to show you and give you information on how to make money on the internet in the year 2018. If you already are familiar with what to do, fantastic. There may be some information here that will be of value to you, and I hope so in the latter part of the video. But hey, this is for beginners. If you want to make money on the internet, let me give you some information here, okay? And you will be able to make money on the internet. I'm going to list below this video places to go where you can get started. Now let me say this as an introduction. Affiliate marketing is probably the best way to get started making money online. Affiliate marketing is simply, if you don't know, means somebody else has created a product, and especially in terms of the internet, a ebook, some type of information that they're selling, training, and they've created it, you promote it, you get a commission, they make money, you make money, okay? And you're an affiliate then. That's what's called affiliate marketing then. You're marketing these affiliate sites. Then there's residual income as an affiliate. That if you can have that, that's even better, because that's a product that when you sell it, they're paying a monthly amount for it, say $20 a month, $40 a month, and you get a percentage of that as a commission, and it's residual, so you keep getting it month after month after month as long as they're purchasing it. All right, so residual income. So there's products that you sell, you get a one-time payment, and then there's residual income. Both are what we want to promote as affiliates. Okay? Now, to get started online, you know, oftentimes people think, okay, I've got to create a blog with content. You know, you've heard content is king, possibly. And so you create that content, you create that blog, and it may take a year or 2 years before it starts creating any revenue for you. All right, and that's good, and that's a way to go. But hey, do you want to make money now within the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, within this short period of time? You can do that, and that's what this video is about, is to point you to opportunities where you can start making money immediately. Now, of course, you can promote all kinds of products. Go to ClickBank, JVZoo, you know, you can look it up. There's all kinds of affiliate opportunities out there that you can promote. But hey, before you do that, you need to know what to do, and you need to become part of a program or system or something to make money online, to tell you 1, 2, 3 what to do. So that's what I'm going to list below this video, is opportunities where you can become a part of them. Anything from $10, $17, $20 one time, or from that amount up to $40, $50 a month that you pay. And these programs will train you and show you what to do and give you the steps 1, 2, 3. So that's primarily what I'm going to try to put below here. So, all right, now that's all I want to say right now. I don't want to get too involved in this, but I want to get you the basic introduction to it. And check out these programs below and start making money online. All right, you can do this. It's easy, but you gotta start here. Bye.